Welcome back to Vtec Garage. Another hot day here. Previous videos you've seen me mess around with putting things together. You can see here I'm at the final stages. Everything for the most part is complete. I assembled the flywheel clutch last night and made the transmission casing onto the block of the engine last night. I was able to do that by myself. So yeah, we're down to the final stages here. Now I'm just putting on miscellaneous parts like hoses, etc. I got everything kind of laid out here on the ground, as you can see. All OEM parts here. So yeah, then this is just half of the stuff you're seeing here. Everything else is pretty much on the engine. So it was a long time coming, a lot of time and effort and money sourcing these parts, collecting them over the past couple years. So it's been a long journey for me. I'm just glad to see it come to an end and seeing everything come together, and you know, time to have some fun and enjoy the fruits of my labor. So that's where we're at right now. So thank you guys for joining me on this journey and look at me sweat and, you know, pour my money and hard efforts into this thing. But I'm happy though. I'm happy to be at the end of it, to see what this car can do. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.